In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and then select Photos or Collections at the top left corner. Now, if you select Photos, hold one of your pictures you wanna delete and pick them by clicking on those dots at the top left corners. To keep some of them, tap on chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Now, if you want to delete them from Collections, click on Collections, select one of your folders, hold a photo, and use the same dots at the top left corners. This time though, use bin icon at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!